Hello and welcome to another tutorial. This time I'm going to show you how to make your Joomla site so that um, some of your content has to be only for registered users. So in that sense, people will have to register before they can access the content. And you may think I already know how to do this because I can change my content access level to registered, but in that case, they will never know the content exists. So I'm going to show you how to show the intro text that they can see, and then they have to register to see the full article. So let's get started. Here's my Joomla blog, and you can see I can just read more at the moment. If I am in my Joomla backend, and first thing I do is go to content and then articles, and then I'm going to go into my blog. First thing I need to do is change the access, so I'm going to make this registered. You could probably make this another option if you want, but registered is fine just to make them registered. I've obviously got a read more link in this article, so that's important. And now I need to change some options within the article manager. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've hidden my intro text. That's optional, but that's how I prefer it for this because effectively you're going to show them the intro text as a teaser. So I would not include that in the main article, but you could do. Um, and what we need to do is show unauthorized links. So in doing this and then saving it, you'll see if we refresh here, now it's saying register to read more. So in doing that, the option will still show this. If we, for example, if I take this away and then I save it, you'll see that the article itself has disappeared. Nobody has any knowledge of it until they sign in as a registered user. So if I turn it back on and then I refresh, you can see these ones are okay, but this one, it has to be registered because we changed the access level of the user group. So if we click here, you'll see what happens. They must log on or register. Um, so that's as simple as it is. If you can imagine, the potential for this is that you gain more emails. So if you're using AC mailing or ACI mailing or however you want to say it, if you're using anything like that, then you have an opportunity to email these people because when they register, you get their email address. If you decided to run with perhaps some sort of a membership plugin, then you could potentially be charging people for content, and you would just be saying that if they're registered, they have to charge or have to pay money. So it's some great ways to use it. It comes as standard in Joomla, so you have that option there all the time, and I think it's a great way to build some sort of loyalty or charge a premium for those real good quality bits of information that you're providing to people, or potentially it's sensitive, or however you want to do it. There's a million reasons you could use it. I hope that helps you. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe.